Yo, we're back at Monkey's Place. Game you haven't seen me play in a while because I don't really post a lot about this game. That looks walkthrough. It's not walkthrough.
Bonk!
Anyways, watch me do something cool. Whoops.
Huh?
Who is that?
Okay, have speed, bro. What now?
I got an idea. Yes.
Somebody help! Yo, why am I so tiny?
Dude, I just got on top of the map. I'm on top of the map right now.
That's easy. I'll do it. You have
dang.
speed? No.
I'm gonna go equip it.
Leave it. What?
Oh,
why are you so
oh,
tiny?
no.
You should
Oh,
jump
no.
all the way over. I went the wrong way. I'm not tiny. Right?
Get on my phone. For real, get on my way.
I have 1,200
Get off of me.
I'm already in horse, sorry. What the heck? Was there something?
Let me. Oh my. Oh no.
I'm a modder.
Congratulations!
Because you're done, father. Congratulations.
Oh, you're right. It's
getting
really
the knife.
easy.
I have the knife. The big guy's not even scary.
I'm going to horror with
This is
super
Jackson
speed. Let me. I'm gonna see what happens. No! Oh my god.
There.
Whoops.
Go, banana man, back up.
I want to get to level 2.
Saw you.
Whoops.
He's so slow. Yo, look, I got a Freddy plushie right here. Wait, bro.
Yo, they added new
I see
music.
it. I
This
steal
is
back.
sick.
Oh my frick. Like, my arms hurt. There is 9. Oh no.
Yeah, that's gonna be quite an issue because like the whole thing is stuck.
Ready?
How do I get out of here?